In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Home Depot racing lip kit. Let's get started. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a lip kit using garden edging from Home Depot, the Home Depot Racing Lip Kit. But actually, this lip kit right here that we are making is super cheap. I've been looking online. I even ordered one. I ordered a lip kit and it did not fit my car. So I actually have to send this back or sell it or something because it says it fits it, but it absolutely does not even come close. So I said, you know what? I'm going to go ghetto and I'm going to make a lip kit. I've done this before in the past on my white EF that was on this channel. So here's a picture of that. And it looked perfectly fine. So I think that's what I'm going to do again here. First thing I have to do is measure the front bumper. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Mark it out on here. And then I'll be using this grinder here from Harbor Freight with a cutoff wheel. We're going to cut it and screw it up there. So I'm going to go ahead and measure everything and get to cutting. Okay, so it was 6 foot and 6 inches long. So I'm going to go ahead and cut 6 foot 7 inches just to be safe. And if we have to, we'll trim a little off. So we'll go ahead and do that. Alright, so now that I've got it cut, everything's looking good. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the car. First, I'm just going to be using some wood screws. Then we're going to actually rivet it in, probably tomorrow. But I'm going to take it back off and paint it black once we get it and make sure everything's good. So, here we go. Like I said, it will be painted black and have rivets in more than just the 2 spots. This is just a mock-up to see how it's going to look. So now I can take it off, paint it black, and then we'll mount it back up there again. Also, you see this excess? This is why I measured it a little longer, just in case we could trim some of it off, just in case we needed it. But yeah, I could easily trim that off right before I paint it. So. Alright, there it is. I got more screws in it. I painted it satin black and it looks really good. I also cut some little extra pieces like this and painted them black. So that way this spot here doesn't look as weird. We can screw it in there and it looks like a lip. You could even use some glue or something on the sides of this just to make it look all professional, or maybe some fiberglass Bondo or something. Make it look like a real lip. So I'm going to screw these in. And then we'll see what it looks like. Well, there it is. It's all put back together. We got the side piece in. I hot glued it, then painted over it black. This is a nut and a bolt, so it's good to go. We could easily put some fiberglass over that, Bondo glass or something, shape it, repaint it, and it would look like a real lip. This is super durable. It is fiberglass, so it is flexible to a point, and it's pretty strong stuff. The crazy part is this stuff only cost $27 from Home Depot. Here is a screenshot of that so you guys can see. And you can see that the passenger side's done as well, and it's looking really, really good. The car is definitely coming along really well. I ended up getting the new windshield finally. Affiliated Auto Glass out of Waco, Texas came and they did it here for $175. Safe Light and all these other places were charging me almost $300. and then the fee to come here and put it in. So I highly recommend, if you're in the Central Texas area, to go through Affiliated. They'll come to you. Really good prices too. Quality work. I also got brand new tires put on these wheels. If you guys didn't know, these wheels are actually different wheels than the ones I painted over here. I actually like these better, these 16s. They ride so much better. Super smooth. Really impressed with these max beating rod coilovers. Now the damper isn't fully stiffened, but it is more stiff than it was before. And it still just rides incredible. Super happy with it. These tires also made a huge difference. Has the same smooth ride as a factory setup, but with better handling. It's crazy, those max beating rods. I don't care what anyone says about them. I have personally ran them on many cars and they work really well. People have been saying that they've had bad experiences, but I never have, so I don't know what to tell you on that one. But yeah, car's coming along pretty good. It's looking pretty cool. Got Yoshi in there chilling and making some progress, doing cheap little mods like this and hoping you guys like them. If you don't, I kind of don't care. I'm still going to keep doing videos like this because there are people that do care. So, but if you did like this, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment below, share the video, and subscribe if you're new here. Don't forget to turn the bell icon on to get notified of every upload. But on Texas Honda channel, I'll be installing the Turbonetics Turbo here soon, so definitely stay tuned on that channel as well. Link will be in the description, so go over there and subscribe. Check out the videos on that channel too. But I hope you guys liked this cheap DIY on how to make yourself your own racing Home Depot lip kit. Now, I could come up with a catchier name, but I'm not trying too hard right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. See you guys in the next one. As I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.